Hey guys, so just a quick kind of final update on the Camaro project for the foreseeable future. This thing's going to go into hibernation mode. I'm going to tidy up all the bits and pieces lying around it and wrap it up in a car cover. It's unfortunate because just yesterday the new brake line kit arrived. So there's a steel brake line kit all pre-bent to fit this car from CamaroDepot.com or .ca. It was Canadian, so it might be .com, but it's in Canada. And unfortunately, our wiring harness also arrived and kind of got strung all over the front of the car, but we don't have time to work on this anymore. It's coming into the second week of February here, and customers are starting to contact me daily for small engine repair. And this is one of those projects in the screen here that, unless I've kind of got my mind set and I'm not distracted by work, I can't work on this. I just not going to have the time to get back into it anytime soon. So I would expect that when the small engine equipment stuff dies off, probably end of June into July, I should be able to come back and work on this. Hopefully have it fired up before the end of the summer at least. I don't know if it's going to be drivable, but at least get it to where it'll fire up, make a video about that. And yeah, we'll see where it ends up. But it's kind of a sad day because I kind of realized today that I'm not going to be able to spend any more time on this winter. Got to get ready to make some money for spring, guys. You got to strike when the iron's hot, like I like to say. So anyway, hit the subscribe button. I'll make another video if I get a chance to do anything to this, but I don't think I will. But down the road in the summertime when it warms up and the grass slows down, my side work's going to die off and I should be able to get back to stuff like this. All right, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you about this one soon.